In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Monday.com. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that you have admin permissions. We'll begin from the Monday.com home screen, where you normally see your workspaces and boards. From the main navigation, open your account or admin menu, then head into the administration area. This is where all of your account level settings live. Inside administration, look for the section called Connections. This is where Monday.com manages apps, integrations, and automation connections that talk to external tools like Jotform. Next, go into Automation Connections, and from there, choose Explore Integrations. This will open the Integrations Marketplace. In the search bar, start typing the name of the integration you're looking for. In our case, type Jotform. When you see Jotform appear in the results, click on it to open the apps page. On the Jotform app page, click Install App. Monday.com may ask you to confirm that you want to add this integration to your account. Once it's installed, you'll see an option to Use App. Click Use App to begin configuring where and how this integration will work. First, choose the workspace where you want to use Jotform. For most people, this might be a main or shared workspace where your team manages incoming requests or projects. After selecting the workspace, you'll be prompted to choose a board. Click on Choose a Board, then pick the specific board where you want form submissions to appear. You might be selecting a board for projects, leads, tickets, or any other process you track. You may see this Choose a Board step repeated for different parts of the configuration. Each time, you're connecting Jotform to the relevant board that will receive or process data. Whenever you see a drop-down or a highlighted area, click it and select the appropriate board or project that matches your workflow. Continue following the prompts, choosing the correct workspace, board, or project wherever you see those options. Once the boards and locations are selected, go into Properties. This is where you'll typically define how information from Jotform will map into Monday.com, such as which board items or columns will be used. After reviewing your selections, click Add App to finalize everything. When you reach the final confirmation screen, your integration setup is complete. At this point, you can switch over to your Jotform account to configure specific forms and make sure their submissions are sent into the boards and projects you've just connected in Monday.com.